Today I'm going to show you how to install a Tusk UTV cab pack on a Polaris RZR. We've got an XP4 Turbo in the shop today. We're going to show you how to do this on. Now this is something that is simple to do. It should only take a few minutes, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start out by removing the two rear seats. Now for the rear panel, we're taking out 4 screws. With that loosened up, we're going to take this main hook on the bag and clip it onto that panel. I'm going to take a screwdriver and a rag. I'm just going to pry that out. Well, I take that main center clip and I'm going to slide it into place until it's fully seated. Now I'm going to take the 2 straps and I'm going to give myself as much slack as I can. And we're going to route these around the roll cage bar. Now we have a rear window installed, so we're going to be using almost all of the length of the strap, and we're going through that cutout. We're coming back down against that panel, and then again I'm pulling out on the panel as I clip that bottom hook in place. We'll do that for the other side as well. And then since we just barely have anything to grab onto on these straps, I'm going to use some pliers just to pull them tight. After that, we can reinstall the 4 screws. And that's how easy it is to install this Tusk UTV cab pack on your Polaris RZR. It's a great way to carry some extra items with you. And again, it's simple to install. Now, if you need one of these, you can click the link in the description below. It's going to take you over to our website where you can pick this up. We offer free shipping on orders over $75. So take advantage of that. And if you want to see more helpful content like this, subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.